The Zonesun ZS-CSPM4T is an automatic cardboard tray former designed for forming cardboard trays and boxes from flat corrugated paper blanks. It integrates cardboard feeding, hot melt glue spraying, and tray forming into one continuous process. By replacing forming molds, it handles different tray sizes to meet various packaging requirements. With adjustable storage capacity, low material alarms, preset production counting, and easy size changeover via handwheel adjustment, it can work as a standalone unit or connect with other automated packaging equipment.